Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic climate control, cargo net, cargo cover, carpeted floor mats, lumbar support, first aid kit, cargo tray. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.